now for part 2. In this part, we will discuss the arterial supply of the nasal septum. To know this topic, we need to know that this septum is divided into 4 parts, that is anterior superior part and anterior inferior part, posterior superior part and posterior inferior part. For the anterior superior part, it is supplied by the anterior ethmoidal artery, which is shown here, and posterior ethmoidal artery also supplying this part, which is shown here in this diagram. And now for the anterior inferior part, it is shown that superior labial artery is supplying anterior inferior part, and posterior superior part is supplied by the sphenopalatine artery, which is shown here, and posterior inferior part is supplied by the branches of greater palatine artery. In the anterior inferior area, there's an area known as Little's area, and in this area we can see anastomos between all the branches of this artery. So this area got many importance because this area is the common site of bleeding from the nose or epistaxis. Now for the venous drainage. There is not that much importance for the venous drainage, even though we need to say it. The veins from the plexus, which is more marked in the Little's area here, and this plexus drain anteriorly into the facial vein and posteriorly through the sphenopalatine vein to pterygoid venous plexus. The nerve supply of the nasal septum. For this topic also, we need to divide the nasal septum into 4 parts, that is anterior superior part, anterior inferior part, posterior superior part and posterior inferior part. The nerve supply is divided on the basis of general sensory nerve and special sensory nerve. The general sensory nerve is arising from the trigeminal nerves and distributed to the whole of the septum. The anterior superior part is supplied by the anterior ethmoidal nerve, which is shown in this diagram here, and posterior superior part is supplied by the medial posterior superior nasal branch of the pterygopalatine ganglion, and anterior inferior part is supplied by the anterior superior alveolar nerve, and posterior inferior part is supplied by the nasopalatine branch of the pterygopalatine ganglion, and it is the main nerve. And the special sensory nerve or olfactory nerve are confined to the upper part of the olfactory nerve, which is shown in this diagram here. That's for the nerve supply. Now for the clinical anatomy. As we have already told that Little's area is the common site of bleeding from the nose or epistaxis, and sphenopalatine artery is the artery of epistaxis. That's for the clinical anatomy. That's all for the topic nasal septum. Hope you like this video and thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you don't like it, dislike it. And subscribe my channel so that I will get motivated to create more videos for you. And click on the bell icon and click on the all so that you will get notification on my future videos. And share this video to your friends and comment this video so that I will improve my videos for you. Thank you, and we will meet soon.